Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how to fix Instagram not showing highlight views on Instagram story. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So in order to fix this kind of issue, first thing you can do is you can visit the down detector page for Instagram, as sometimes the issue might be from the server itself, and after that you might be able to know the reason behind the issue. And other thing what you can do is you can simply restart your Instagram application, and if you're still having troubles, then what you can do is you can clear the cache of Instagram. So in order to clear cache and data, you need to head towards the settings application, and after that you need to click on apps and notification. Once you click on apps and notification, on the other side you need to click on Instagram, and after that you'll be directed to the app info, and right in between you'll have an option as storage and cache, and then you need to clear cache and storage, and after that you'll be logged out of your Instagram application, and then you need to re-log in into your account, and it must be able to fix your issue. And after that you can also check for the update whether the application is updated or not. In case if it is not updated, and it might be one of the major reasons for your issue. So the final solution, what you can do is you can check your internet connection if you have a stable internet connection, and if it's not helping, then the other thing you can do is simply delete the application, and then you need to reinstall the application, and after that you might be able to fix it. So those were the method on how to fix Instagram not showing highlight views on Instagram story. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.